And now the real reason why I wanted to make this video that I haven't mentioned just yet. YouTube just doubled its requirements to get monetized, and millions of people have already decided that their dream business is now even further away. I'm here to tell you that it is not true. If that announcement upset you even in the slightest, let me tell you exactly why it shouldn't, and also what you can focus on instead that always works and is way less complicated than most people make it. By the way, if we haven't met just yet, my name is Kasia. I'm the Identity Magician, and I help incredible humans grow incredible businesses in an easy way. So if that is what you're after, I'm super happy to have you on my channel. Let's focus on the facts. Now, you need 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized on YouTube. And from February 2027, that requirement will go up to 8,000 hours. And right now, people all over the world are losing their shit over that announcement, even though it means really nothing to a person who really wants to grow their business full-time or part-time on this platform. So let me say the unpopular thing, because you can always count on me. I'm super no bullshit. And if you were hoping to make a living out of YouTube AdSense, then you don't have a business idea or a business plan. What you have is a very expensive lottery ticket with a shit ton of homework attached to it. And what I mean by expensive is it's going to cost you a lot of time and other resources. Right now on this channel, I have about 17,000 subscribers. I am super grateful for every single human being who has decided to press subscribe. By the way, if you haven't already, that could be your sign. And at the current moment, my channel generates around 100 to 180,000 views and 30 to 60,000 watch hours every single month. Yet, it's not AdSense that pays me. My clients pay me. One single person watches one video, they decide that I'm the one, and this is how it rolls. Do I make money on YouTube? Yes, but that money allows me to create the free stuff that you can get here on this channel. Plus, it pays for good coffee. That's it. There is no way I could create the life that I really want on the back of AdSense money. And because of this, everything that I just said, I want you to make a very powerful reframe, and that reframe is that requirements didn't change for you if you want to grow your business. So it is still that one person that sees one of your videos, decides that they want this thing that you offer, and says yes. That's it. Then you multiply it and you have a sustainable business that couldn't care less for ads. Whatever type of business you want, use YouTube for, whether it's coaching, consulting, local services online. You want to stop looking at YouTube as your revenue stream through ads and start looking at it as a room where people get to meet you. And now the real reason why I wanted to make this video that I haven't mentioned just yet. If something happened to you when you heard about that announcement, if something happened to your body, if it sank a little, if you got angry or disappointed or triggered, what I want you to do is take a deep breath and look at it as data from your body. And I bet that that data is a proof of a pattern that you have been running in more areas than one. This is just an example. I do this all day, every day, and this is what I see time and time again with my incredible humans. Here's what I mean. Once I get monetized, I will go all in, or once I get monetized, my business will take off, or once I get monetized, this or that happens. It's the same pattern as once I get that new certification, once I replace that current client, once the busy period is over, once I create the offer that I really want to create, or once I'm going to hire enough people so I am not the bottleneck in my business. This is all the same one pattern that is putting the permission to grow outside of yourself, making it fully circumstantial, and taking your personal power away. Or rather, you are giving your personal power away to circumstances, and then your mind convinces you that this is really smart. And because of that, you're circling that big decision, you're circling that big moment, you're circling that big move, you're circling that very thing that you want to do, because circumstances are not right just yet. And you want to know what's crazy about this also? Once you're going to fulfill that one requirement, your brain is going to make up some other shit that is going to make you stall again, wait again, circle again. I've seen it enough times to say that this is a rule that you're living by in your business and maybe also in other areas of life. And I want to help you with this because once we shift that, you're going to be able to grow in ways you haven't really imagined. And I know this because I help with this exact thing all day, every day. I help people get out of their freaking heads so that they can go after this very thing that they want. The business that really sparks joy and allows them to make a lot of money, help a lot of people, and create the life that they really, truly want. And for the most part, the reasons why that has not been possible just yet is all in their heads and all in their bodies. We release that and the rest becomes easy. Right now, what you can do in this very moment is super simple. I want you to list all the sentences that start with once and then end with I will be able to XYZ. So, once I get monetized, I'll be blah, blah, blah. Or once, and you know what I'm talking about, then I will be able to do this or that. Then when you have those sentences in plain sight, I want you to look at them with no judgment. This is important. No self-judging, no beating yourself up. Just look at them and realize that these are excuses that your brain is making up, but they are not objectively true because there are people who are doing the thing that you want to do without these things, aren't they? So you're making them up and you can release them through a decision. And that decision would be, I am no longer the person who believes that this or that is required for me to do blank. I'm the kind of person who figures out how to do this, even though I don't have that. Or, I am not the person who waits for the perfect circumstances, I create them. Or, I am not the person whose dreams are going to be determined by external circumstances anymore. And then you claim your power back. Then you're finally able to create from a place of, you know what? The only requirement for me to meet is my own desire. If I really want this, I'm going to figure that shit out. And if I don't, I'm ready to stop pretending that it's important to me. Because if circumstances have to dictate whether I get this or not, then apparently it's not that important, is it? And so the final reminder, you can put it on a post-it note, and that is nobody's coming with the permission for you to do whatever it is that you want to do, and nobody's going to handle you the perfect circumstances. It is about you becoming the person who does the thing that you really, really want, regardless of what those circumstances are. And if you would love my help in becoming that person, stepping into that person so that you can create the business that you really want, that puts your soul on fire, that grows easier than you ever thought possible, then all the ways in which we can do it together are listed in the description box below. And I'm going to see you in the next video.